Hello, my name is Geon Heo from the Graduate School of Public Health, Seoul National University. As a MPH student, our team recently published our article Systematic Assessment of Flavor Cues and Additives in Cigarettes and Heated Tobacco Products in Korea in JMIR Public Health and Surveillance. In this study, we examined how cigarettes and heated tobacco products sold in Korea communicate flavor to consumers. This is important because flavor can make tobacco products seem more appealing, smoother, or less harmful, especially to young people and new users. In Korea, explicit flavor descriptions on tobacco packaging are restricted. However, tobacco companies can still suggest flavor in more indirect ways. For example, they may use colors, product names, capsule images, packaging design, or symbols printed on the tobacco stick itself. To better understand these strategies, we purchased tobacco products from major convenience stores in Seoul and cross-checked them with national market monitoring data. In total, we assessed 14 products, including 150 cigarettes and 64 heated tobacco products. Our research teams then assessed each product both visually and by smell, coded flavor cues on the package and stick, and examined whether flavor additives were present in components such as capsules, tobacco leaves, filters, and wrappers. Our findings show that flavor-related marketing remains very common. Flavor cues were found in about two-thirds of cigarettes and in more than 95% of heated tobacco products. We also found that actual flavor additives were present in about 59% of cigarettes and 84% of heated tobacco products. Overall, more than 60% of all products had both flavor cues and flavor additives. In particular, heated tobacco products used more diverse flavoring methods than conventional cigarettes. While crushable capsules were the most common method, flavor additives were also found in less visible components such as tobacco leaves, wrappers, and internal parts of the stick. One important message from our study is that flavor appeal is not created only by explicit words like mint or cherry. It can also be created through colors, images, design features, and hidden product components. This means that regulations focusing only on explicit flavor descriptions may not be enough. Our findings support the need for stronger tobacco control policies, including plain packaging, restrictions on stick design, and comprehensive bans on flavor additives. We chose JMIR Public Health and Surveillance because the journal is a strong fit for research that combines public health surveillance with practical policy implications. We hope this study contributes to stronger monitoring and regulation of flavored tobacco products in Korea and internationally. Thank you for watching.